Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: no water problem. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. When facing the inconvenience of no water flowing from the kitchen faucet, it is essential to troubleshoot the issue promptly to restore the flow of water. This guide aims to provide you with a comprehensive first draft on troubleshooting and resolving the problem of no water in your kitchen faucet. By following these steps, you can identify the root cause of the issue and implement solutions to ensure the smooth functioning of your kitchen faucet. Troubleshooting steps. If you encounter a situation where no water is coming out of your kitchen faucet, consider the following troubleshooting steps to diagnose and resolve the issue. Check water supply. Ensure that the main water supply to the kitchen faucet is not disrupted or turned off accidentally. Inspect faucet handles. Verify that the faucet handles are in the open position to allow water flow. Examine water pressure. Test the water pressure from other faucets in the house to determine if the issue is isolated to the kitchen faucet. Look for leaks. Check for any visible leaks or blockages in the faucet system that may be impeding water flow. Inspect aerator. Remove the faucet aerator and clean out any debris or sediment that could be obstructing the flow of water. Check shutoff valves. Ensure that the shutoff valves under the sink are fully open to allow water to flow freely. Test multiple settings. Try running both hot and cold water to see if the issue is specific to one setting. Inspect pipes. Examine the pipes connected to the faucet for any signs of damage or blockages that may be causing the problem. Steps to resolve the issue. Once you have identified the possible cause of the problem, you can proceed with the following steps to resolve the issue of no water in your kitchen faucet. Clean the aerator. Remove the aerator from the faucet and clean out any debris or mineral buildup that may be obstructing the flow of water. Check the shutoff valves. Ensure that the shutoff valves under the sink are fully open to allow water to flow freely into the faucet. Inspect for leaks. Look for any leaks in the pipes leading to the faucet and repair them to restore water flow. Test water pressure. Verify the water pressure from other faucets in the house to determine if the issue is localized to the kitchen faucet. Flush the pipes. Run water through the faucet for a few minutes to flush out any remaining debris or blockages in the pipes. Seek professional help. If the issue persists or if you are unable to identify the cause, consider contacting a professional plumber for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a no water problem. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.